Hi, I'm Manish Lakwani, CTO co-founder of AppPurify, and I want to just jump right into my deck. So what's the real problem with mobile application development today? Lack of debugging tools, lack of performance optimization tools, and lack of an automated continuous integration platform where you can run your tests and get results fast. So what happens is, due to lack of these tools, the implication of this is companies spend a lot of time manually testing their apps pre-launch. They use manual testing for flushing out performance issues and for functional stability issues, which is awesome. But this results in long release cycles, and long release cycles will basically mean broken apps hitting the market and incompletely tested. So users find your bugs, users give you poor reviews, ratings, and you lose revenues. Okay, so how does AppPurify help here? So AppPurify has basically built the first mobile continuous integration platform for real apps on real devices. We offer most powerful performance debugging tools and for runtime debugging tools. And all of these automated testing is done on real devices under real user conditions. But how does this all add up and happen? Basically, AppPurify has built an EC2 for mobile. Tens of thousands of devices sitting in a device cloud in dedicated hosting centers at AppPurify. But these could also be on-premise in your companies. And all these devices are real devices which could be placed in real user conditions. So you can imagine simulating network conditions for carriers, location conditions, your memory conditions, multiple apps, multi-app interaction, anything you can think of for iOS and Android with Windows lined up in about 6 months. We released this platform 2 months back, and so far we have seen 8.5 million CI runs, one every 2 seconds, that happen round the clock. So at AppPurify, we want to attack the performance measurement problem ground up. So we divide the performance measurement of a mobile app, may it be a browser, a native, or a HTML5 app, into 6 parts. The client side, which is your load time, the time to interact, your response time to a touch, your in-app mechanics. We have function tracers, Objective-C call tracers, which can actually tell you which line of code in your app is causing a problem. Then we have server side, which is your HAR, your PCAPs, and of course, we do HAR comparisons, the diffs, and so on, to tell you how things evolved over time. Then there is a device side, the on-disk, and the multi-app interaction. So we do this measurement on every app around the clock in a continuous manner. You can push your builds through an API, and we'll give you the results within a few minutes. I don't have time to go through the demo right now because I just want to show you how exactly the platform looks. And we are all set up for the demo after the presentation. But this is basically a screenshot of the first inspector for an HTML5 app on a real device. This is using the Chrome DevTools. It's inspecting a Google search app, which is an HTML5 app on a real device under real user conditions. This has not been done before. It's like your GDB, your standard Chrome DevTools. And this is for the native apps. Now you can start debugging your UI views, breakpointing your UI views, memory leak detection, all the works. Everything's available through the Chrome DevTools. No learning curve for the developers. Now, we understand that using a device cloud is painful for many developers. The reservation of the device, the installation of the app, and so on. And of course, security issues. So what we have done is packaged all these features in a 100 kilobyte SDK, which we will release for free by the end of next month. You compile the static library into your code, and now you get all these powerful runtime debuggers and performance optimization tools on your local phone. You can interact with the app, auto-generate test cases, run them continuously. Everything on your local devices. And of course, we are distributing the SDK for free. I'm actually done a little early. But basically, AppPurify has built this powerful performance optimization, debugging, and automated testing platform. We are located in SF, and we are very well funded. Investors include Google Ventures, Foundation Capital, and so on. So get in touch with us, with me or Jay. We are actually set up to do demos after the presentation, so stop by. We can use your App Store apps, and we can quickly tell you where your performance bottlenecks are. And you can work with us, integrate with the API into your build servers, and you can optimize your launch process. Thank you.